big news! Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS is now embedded in Google Vids Voiceover. You can use tags to change speech mid-scene. The following video will give an overview. Stick around to the end for fun, creative demos of using the new TTS model.
Traditional text-to-speech relies on a rigid, mechanical rhythm. The Gemini 3.1 Flash model replaces that baseline, making dynamic adjustments to its own pacing and tone based on the context of the transcript. We are going to examine how to use the 30 new voice profiles and embedded audio tags in Google Vids to guide a specific, lifelike performance. To follow along, ensure you have a Google Vids workspace open and a draft scene script ready for modification. Mastering these controls allows you to create engaging, directed narratives that suit the specific needs of a corporate presentation. To begin, select your scene and look to the Properties panel on the right. Click the Change button to modify the voice settings. This opens the Voice Library sidebar. The 30 available Gemini 3.1 voices are organized by their intended use, ranging from professional and friendly to casual. Use the play icon to preview different options. You want to ensure the baseline persona matches the overall intent of your script before adding further direction. This initial voice selection acts as the foundational layer. All subsequent emotional variations will build directly upon this baseline. Audio tags are bracketed modifiers typed directly into the transcript. They cue the model to change behavior mid-sentence. These tags fall into 3 functional categories: emotional shifts, pacing adjustments, or physical sounds like gasps. A single line of text can be interpreted in several ways. We can use tags to deliver a line in a whisper or add a natural-sounding laugh at a specific moment. These tags provide granular, word-by-word control over the output, effectively serving as director's notes for the AI model. For correct processing, follow strict rules. First, separate adjacent tags with at least one word. Second, bracketed tags must be strictly in English, regardless of the script's language. Finally, a tag leads at least one subsequent word to function. Punctuation marks like periods, commas, and question marks also provide natural guidance for the AI's intonation and pausing without the need for manual tags. Use these tags selectively. The model is context-aware, meaning it will often react to the emotional cues in your text automatically, unless you override it with a specific bracketed instruction. Following these syntax rules prevents errors during audio generation and ensures the final voiceover remains realistic. Advanced documentation for Gemini 3.1 often references structural headers like audio profile or director's notes for use in specialized environments like AI Studio. In Google Vids, these headers are ignored. The script editor is designed exclusively for the spoken transcript and inline audio tags. Do not paste descriptive character backgrounds into the scene field. Rely on the baseline voice menu to establish the speaker's persona. Keeping the transcript clean ensures the AI focuses entirely on the performance of the written dialogue. When these steps are combined, the result is a Vids timeline where the baseline voice and the specific emotional cues in your tags execute in sync with your visuals. To summarize, select a custom baseline voice, use bracketed tags for mid-sentence variation, and maintain the required spacing between those tags. Open your current draft and add a tag like gasp or enthusiasm to a sentence. Preview the scene to see how the model handles the specific shift. Mastering these directing features creates the expressive, varied audio required for professional-level video presentations.
Oh, some examples. That was a gasp and amused tag. Some creativity speaking like Dracula. Aye there, matey. I am a rogue pirate. Shiver my timber. I am a famous mouse from years gone by. I am Batman. Look up in the sky. The bat signal. Or you can change to the voice delivery. This is an example of ASMR.
Back to neutral speech, of the speech, or speed up the delivery of the speech to very, very, very fast. Conversely, slow it down. A good tool to emphasize a point, possibly very slowly. Excuse me, I did not mean to cough. Let's get serious for a moment. These tags are incredibly awesome. Of course, there are currently some limitations with the implementation in Vids. For example, it does not seem that you can use tags in the transcript dialog for AI avatars. Custom or stock avatars? Maybe that is coming soon? It seems there are many undocumented tags. I just tried Pirate, Mickey Mouse, and Batman in the first example, and they all worked well. This dialogue was done all tag-free, just using punctuation. You can hear how dynamic the speech is. Definitely less robotic and more natural. Give it a try.